Hello guys, this is our ABM machine by Othanavathakit and Mariam Yarkova, which inspiration by bird movement. Now it can move like the crank by rotating. As you can see, the wings and tails is go up and down, and the bird mouth is kind of like move. So here we use 4 gear to move the whole system, and we have like the linkage bar here to lift the wings up and down. And for the tails we use the cam, as you can see. Also, like the head movement, we use the cam and the 6 bar mechanism to move the whole thing. And yeah, here's our bird ABM machine.